Yeah, what you got there, Tina?
Show Daddy what you got, baby.
You got a big rock? Let me see it.
Yeah.
That rock's bigger than you, baby.
Throw it, Tina. Throw it hard. Oh, yeah, that went real far.
Oh, yeah. You could get another throw out of that rock. Chris! Chris, let me see your rock. Chris! Christopher!
Hey, Chris, turn around, bud. I can't see you.
Bert, all I'm seeing is clothes, bud. All I'm seeing is clothes. That's not Christopher, that's clothes.
There he goes, he got it.
What are you doing there, bud? Whoa, dude! You hit the sack, dude. Yay! You throw it? Where are you, Danny? Is that you, Danny? Yeehaw, Danny! Hey, Danny! Where's Lilybell? Come on, Lilybell! Let me see you. Where are you? Is that you, Lily? Yeehaw! Where are you? There you are. There you go. There you go. There you go, Danny. You picking up speed? Yeah! I want to see you turning, Danny. Don't go faster than me. Turning. Don't go faster than me, Lilybell. I want to see you turning. Come on. There you go. There you go. Come on, Danny, turn. Come on, Lilybell, turn. Where are you? There you are. Tell me if I'm going to crash into something, okay? Tell me if I'm going to crash into something, okay, Danny? Because I can't see. Whoa! What happened, bud? Okay. Okay, Lilybell. Oh, we're going really slow right now. Okay, just tell me if I'm going to crash into something. Am I going to crash? Is there anything behind me for me to crash into? Is there anything for me to crash into? Where are you, Danny? Come on up. Come on up, Danny. Where are you, Lilybell? Do your turns, not faster than me. Come on up. Where are you, Danny? Oh! There you go. If you're going faster than me, then turn. Okay? And tell me if I'm going to crash into something. like you. Yeehaw, Lily! We're going fast. Hey, Danny. Well, just where we are. We're on the Broadway Express. And we're going up that big hill. Right there. See that big hill there?
Yeah.
That's where we're going.
Good.
Up that big hill. Yep. No problem. And where's Danny?
Sticky.
There's Danny. Which hill are we coming down, Danny? Which hill are we gonna come down? Broadway Express.
Yeah.
That's right there. We're gonna come down that big hill.
Oh God.
Right there. Yep, those little tiny things, those are people on that big old mountain. That's Broadway Express, and that's where we're coming down. Over this hill, this steep old hill. That's a big old mountain right there.
Yeah.
Look at those rocks. Where's Danny? There you are. Are you scared?
No.
You're not scared of that big old hill? Wowee. I'm scared of that big old hill.
Yeah.
Woo! There we go, over the hill. Is that Danny way to ass down there? Sure is. And there's Lily Bell skiing her heart out way down at the bottom of the mountain. Keep going, Danny. Keep skiing. Come on down. Go on, take your turns faster. Go down the hill faster. There you go.
Yeah.
Okay. That almost breaks his